Welcome to this mindful moment break. Find a comfortable seated position with your back straight and your hands resting on your lap. Or, if you prefer to lie down, allow your feet to gently relax open and your hands to lie at your side, palms facing up to receive, or gently resting palms down if you need a little more grounding for today's practice. Now close your eyes gently if that feels comfortable to you. And let's begin by taking a deep breath in, slowly filling your lungs with air. Hold it for a moment at the peak of your breath, feeling the expansion within you. And exhale slowly, releasing any tension or worries you may be carrying. And again, deep breath in, allowing your lungs to fill completely, holding for just a moment at the top, and then exhale completely. Great work. In this fast-paced world, it is easy to feel isolated or lonely amidst the hustle and bustle of everyday life. This mindful moment break offers us an opportunity to pause, connect with our inner being, and cultivate a frequency of connectedness with all. As we embark on this meditation, let us set the intention to explore the depths of our inner selves and feel the undeniable interconnectedness of all things. Through this practice, may we not only find solace in our own presence, but also recognize our profound connection to the world around us. As you continue to breathe at your own pace, envision each inhalation as illuminating you with a radiant orb or aura of light at your core. As you inhale, allow this orb of light to grow brighter and more vibrant, igniting every corner of your being with its radiant energy. And with each exhale, feel this luminous energy expanding outward, encompassing your entire being in a warm, glowing embrace. Now take a moment to recall a joy-filled memory, a moment of pure happiness and contentment. Let this memory infuse the glowing orb of light within you with positive energy, filling it with the warmth and joy of that experience. With each breath, feel its radiant energy pulsating within you, radiating outward and connecting you to the essence of joy and positivity. As you continue to breathe in this state of illuminated presence, bask in the warmth of this glowing orb of light, knowing that you carry within you the power to cultivate joy and positivity in every moment. Let this visualization of light and positive energy remind you of your inherent connection with your inner wisdom and the universe and its limitless potential that resides within you. Now shift your focus to the concept of unity. With each inhale, connect with the collective energy of all beings, recognizing the interconnection and oneness that binds us all together. As you exhale, connect with your inner sense of harmony and alignment. spreading it to every corner of your being and beyond, fostering a deep sense of connection with all of existence, like a web of light uniting us all. Focusing on this web of light and interconnectedness, visualize the relationships in your life that bring you a sense of joy, and reflect on the concept of unity. Imagine these golden cords of light radiating and glowing with each intentional thought and positive affiliation. Inhale this sense of connection and unity with those you love, feeling it resonate within you and igniting you from the inside out. And as you exhale, let that sense of unity expand, enveloping you in a warm embrace of interconnectedness and love. Now take a moment to reflect on the following affirmation. With every breath, I embrace the interconnectedness of all existence, ascending together towards a harmonious and unified world. Continue to breathe mindfully, embracing the present moment with a sense of ascension and unity. Inhale the energy of growth and connection, and exhale any thoughts or feelings that hinder your sense of oneness. As you bask in the glow of the radiant orb of light which you have created, know that within it lies the spark of hope, a beacon that illuminates the path to oneness, unity, and connection. Should you ever find yourself feeling isolated or alone, remember this moment of connectedness and this moment of embrace of oneness that transcends time and space. Know that you carry within you the power to return to this place of inner light and connection at any time, recognizing each breath as a gift. And with each breath you take, you can rekindle the flame of hope within your heart, igniting a sense of unity that binds you to all living things. Now, for just a moment, visualize yourself standing as your most glorious and authentic version of you, radiating with vitality, joy, and love. Visualize those around you lighting up all around you in your presence, recognizing the spark of connection to your inner being that lives within you, drawn to it like a moth to a flame, enchanted by your light within. Take solace in the knowledge that you are never truly alone, for the essence of oneness resides within you, a guiding light that leads you back to the interconnected web of life and all living things. Embrace the sense of unity and love, knowing that it will always be there to welcome you home. Now returning your attention to your breath, taking a deep breath in, embracing the feeling of expansion and unity within you. Exhale slowly, bringing your awareness back to the present moment, wiggling your fingers and your toes, and grounding yourself in this time and space. When you are ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this sense of ascension and unity with you as you continue on your journey. Thank you so much for joining me here today, If you enjoyed this meditation, please consider subscribing or giving it a like, or checking out one of these 2 videos that you may also enjoy. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.